Thank you for contacting the Estate Planning Law Center LLC about your estate planning needs. We know there are many firms out there, and we're honored to be considered for this very important matter. If you're doing estate planning for the first time, or for the first time in a long time, you probably have a lot of questions. One of those questions may be about how much your plan will cost. But before we talk about that, let's talk about why you're doing estate planning. The estate planning process allows you to protect everything you've created during your lifetime and make sure that it eventually gets to your loved ones as efficiently and as cost effectively as possible. That's a huge deal. You can also use this process to plan for your own disability, to protect your spouse, to plan for young children and encourage them to pursue higher education. You can provide for and protect a special needs child and ensure that they have the best quality of life after you're gone. Or you can use it to protect your children from themselves so that they can't squander their inheritance by using one of our sudden wealth protection trusts. Estate planning may well be the most important thing you do in your lifetime, and making sure that the plan you created achieves your particular goals is, as they say, priceless. Having said all that, we do understand that the cost of the plan is important to our clients. We're very sensitive to that consideration and know it can be difficult to spend money on an intangible benefit. At the same time, we believe that when it comes to protecting everything you own for the people you love, cost shouldn't be the first consideration. To do a proper plan, we need to take the time to get to know you, your family, your goals, and desires. That takes time, and time is money. Some people will prepare their own estate plans and decide that the cost savings are worth the risk of unintended consequences. And that's fine. We could tell you many stories of things that have gone wrong when an estate plan was prepared by someone without the requisite knowledge and experience. But that's for another video, on another day. Like most things, the cost of estate planning can range from very expensive to very inexpensive or even free. We like to use this horse as a visual to show how the quality of the outcome correlates to the time and money invested. If time and money is unlimited, you may want the very best possible estate plan that money can buy. This would make sense if you have more than $2 or $3 million, if you have potential tax issues, or if you have special needs children who will be dependent long after you're gone. If time and money is somewhat limited and a slightly lesser quality is sufficient for your purposes, you may want to be here. This is a great place to be if you have less than $3 million, no tax issues, and still want to protect your assets for your surviving spouse and children. Or you might even end up here in the middle. This is perfectly adequate for those with under $1 to $2 million, with self-sufficient adult children, or for those without children who intend to leave their assets to more distant relatives or possibly charities. If spending the time necessary so your attorney really understands your family and your goals isn't for you, then you may want to try to find the least expensive attorney you can to prepare a bare bones plan. We still commend you for doing something. At least half of Americans never prepare an estate plan at all and leave their families to pick up the pieces as best they can. And then there are the clients that just don't want to bother to spend any time thinking through their estate planning goals, or they don't want to spend money on something that they can't see, or they just aren't concerned with the quality of the end product. Those clients may decide not to use an attorney at all and just fill out forms on the internet. As one client recently told us, "I'll be dead and I don't care." What's right for you depends entirely on what's most important to you. If protecting your family is of the highest importance, you might go one way. If spending the least amount of money is your priority, you might go another. All these are valid choices. If you want to use a professional estate planning attorney, you'll be here, and we'll work with you to design a plan that will meet both your budget and your objectives. If, on the other hand, you also believe "I'll be dead and I don't care" and are looking for an end product analogous to the front of our horse, our firm probably isn't going to be a good fit. Our trademark is peace of mind, not a piece of paper. And we mean it. We love what we do, and we love working with people that love their families and understand that preparing an estate plan to protect them is a process that requires time and money. Those people are a good fit for our firm, and we have many, many clients that are happy with the plans we've created. Many of those clients become lifelong friends as well as clients and join our continuing annual review experience program and come see us year after year. We want every person who contacts our firm to get the right legal representation for them. We hope to work with you, but if you don't feel we're a good fit or if we don't feel that you're a good fit, we'll do our best to help you find another solution. We hope you found this video helpful. We look forward to answering your questions during our scheduled call with you. If you choose us, we promise to serve you well.